What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change language on CoinMarketCap. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, first things first is you want to open up CoinMarketCap here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to access our profile photo at the top right of your screen. Now, in here, you want to go and click on settings. Now, in this page here, you want to look for the specific setting here that says language. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now, in here, you could go ahead and choose a language that you want to use for the actual app. So in this case, there are going to be a lot of languages here. Like for example, you have Espanol, you also have Italiano, and a lot more. So you just need to scroll down a bit here. So in this case, once you see the language you want to use, you want to go ahead and just click on it or press on it, and from then on, you could go and go back and start using that language in the actual app, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.